Hello! Today we will show you how to simulate a realistic explosion using Pyro. Create a plane, go to the Object tab, increase the width and height to 10,000 centimeters, right-click on the plane in the Object Manager, select Simulation Text, and click on Collider to define the plane as obstacle. Create a sphere, go to the Object tab, reduce the radius to 30 centimeters, go to the Coordinates tab, and set the PY property to 30 centimeters so that the sphere is on the plane. Create a Voronoi fracture object by clicking and holding on the cloner icon and choosing Voronoi fracture from the pop-up palette. And make the sphere a child of the Voronoi fracture. Select the Voronoi fracture in the Object Manager, go to the Sources tab, click on the Point Generator distribution, and change the value of the point amount property that appeared below to 50 or more to increase the number of fragments. Go to the Object tab and uncheck the Colorize Fragments box. Check the Hull Only box and set the thickness to 2 cm. Open the Asset Browser, search for steel, drag and drop some steel material onto the Voronoi fracture in the Object Manager, and close the Asset Browser. Right-click on the Voronoi fracture in the Object Manager, select Simulation Text, and click on Rigid Body to define the Voronoi fracture as a solid object. Press the Play Forwards button in the Animation toolbar. Now let's add Pyro. Stop the animation and go to the start of the timeline. Right-click on the Voronoi fracture, select Simulation Text, and click on Pyro Fuel. Go to the Tech tab of the Pyro Fuel tag. Scroll down to and open the Fuel section, and switch the fuel type to the contingent solid. Open the Edit menu, click Project Settings, go to the Simulation tab, then Pyro tab, and increase the Fluid Force Factor to 0.001 so that the Pyro affects solid objects. To make the fuel automatically ignite at the start of the animation, scroll down to the Fuel Combustion section and set the ignition temperature to 0 or -1. To increase the combustion temperature, set the temperature per fuel to 15,000. Zoom out the default camera and test the animation. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and put your finger up.